Hello, what is up you guys? Foxy the Pirate Foz here, and today we are playing FNAF the original. I still haven't looked it up yet, but trilogy or something roleplay. We're gonna go to badges. So today instead of a frosty friend, we're getting a freezing friend and luck of Irish. These two are both in different areas, so I'll be showing you how to get them. So follow me through. First, you have to go past welcome. Obviously, you have to go to teleports. Map teleports. And for the first one, a freezing friend, you have to go to FNAF 2, the city. So for this one, we have to go over here. Keep going. All the way over here. It's behind Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. So once we get over there, we have to, let's see, hold on. Right when I touch the tree. All right, we got it. We have to go on this to the side of the building, and you'll get the badge. So a freezing friend badge. The next one is a luck of Irish or something. I forgot what it's called, but guys, I'm a YouTuber. I'm still saying it. Let's see. Whoa, what is this for? Alright. So, where's FNAF 3? Okay, FNAF 3, Cam 09. Alright, so over here, we go to exit. And over here, I think. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Flashlight. Not that one. That's probably one we'll get later. Or you know what? Let's get it. You guys will all get it anyway. Fireworks specialist. And where is the other one? Oh, so wait. Where is it? I swear it's like at the exit or something. Oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta go past here. I guess we're getting 3 badges now. Alright. So right here is Luck of the Irish. Now let's check out the 3 different badges we've gotten. Alright, let's move a little. Alright. So for badges, we go over here. So let's see, where is it? A freezing friend. Okay, so let's read it. Black Ice Frostbear. Black Ice Frostbear is the first skin for a Frostbear in FNAF AR. He is a more fierce looking version of Frostbear that carries a spear as opposed to an icicle. Oh my god. Damn. This looks cool. Alright, inactive. Twitch. Bro, his head. Alright, jump scare. Noise. Haywire sound. That definitely sounds like ice to me. Alright, let's check out another. Oh my god. The way they die is so funny. Alright, we're going back to badges. Over here. And then Luck of the Irish. Shamrock Freddy. It reminds me of Glamrock Freddy, not gonna lie. Shamrock Freddy, or alternatively or something known as Shamrock Skin, is a St. Patrick's themed skin of Freddy Fazbear released at March 12, 2020. He is also the first skin of Freddy Fazbear and the first skin to arrive or use the newly introduced skin system of Five Nights at Freddy's AR Special Delivery. Oh, that's cool. Alright, whoa. Section A, perform. Looks like Freddy's performance to me. Deactivate jump scare. Except the jump scare sounds different. Music box. A little different. Left one. Left two. East Hall camera stand. Hello, Freddy. Stage stair. Oh, this. Peeking.
I hope you enjoyed my visit. I've got a special delivery just for you. It looks like someone wasn't ready for Freddy to come to the party. When you wake up, just remember, friends are forever. That sure was fun. Better luck next time. I've planned something special just for you. Most people like my hugs. Round and round we go. We're going, nobody knows.
Nice, this looks cool. Alright, next badge. The one I was never meant to get, but I still got it. Firework specialist. Or I think that's how you say it. Firework Freddy. Firework Freddy is a summer-themed skin of Freddy dedicated for United States Independence Day, July the 4th, in Five Nights at Freddy's AR Special Delivery. The skin was released on June 26, 2020. Oh, wow. Looks like he's about to shoot it or something. Section A. Deactivate jump scare. Honestly, it would have been cool if he just shot it or something. Music box. The music box are always a little different. Twitching. Stage stare. Peeking.
I hope you enjoyed this special delivery just for you.
Sit. Oh, he lifted on the ground. Endo pupils. Eyeless.
Round and round, I land something special just for you.
Alright, this is pretty cool. Alright guys, see you in the next video.